Understanding Drone Fleet, an English language explainer. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, drone fleet. This term is increasingly common in technology and military contexts, so understanding it can be really beneficial. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the term. A drone is an unmanned aircraft or ship guided by remote control or onboard computers. Drones are known for their versatility and are used for various purposes, ranging from recreational to military applications. Now, let's understand what a fleet is. Traditionally, a fleet refers to a group of ships sailing together, engaged in the same activity, or under the same ownership. In modern terms, it's extended to mean a group of vehicles, aircraft, or, in our case, drones. So, when we combine these terms, a drone fleet refers to a group of drones operated together to achieve a specific purpose. This can be for surveillance, delivery services, environmental monitoring, or military operations. The key aspect here is the coordinated use of multiple drones. Let's see some examples of how drone fleet is used in sentences. 1. The company deployed a drone fleet for aerial photography services. 2. The military's drone fleet was utilized for reconnaissance missions. Understanding the term drone fleet is important as it reflects technological advancement and its integration into different sectors. Knowing such terms enhances your vocabulary and helps you stay updated with current technological trends. That's all about drone fleets. I hope this video has helped clarify the term and its usage in modern contexts. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about understanding how language evolves with technology. See you in the next video.